Hi. um, for the past months of April, it's been quite mind-rattling because of how things easily change. I don't know for the better, I don't know for the worse because I'm still going through that change and it is quite difficult and it was quite challenging, but the thing about this is it's freeing at the same time. And I feel inspired to do stuff that I said I'm gonna do 10 years ago, maybe 8 years ago, 6 years ago. And I was quite happy with that, and everything comes lighter. So even though it wouldn't have some effect, I'm just happy that and I'm just glad that I did it. So for the past month, I've been struggling with my anxiety. More evenly so, but I feel like in a matured way because when I was younger, I feel panicky all over because of what about how I dealt with life and how life was handed to me. So it was quite very challenging to say the least. But now that I'm older and I'm more experienced about stuff, I've learned to accept it. Of course, there are mishaps because I felt like time and time again I've been dealing with some problems over and over again for extended periods of time, and it was quite on the loop. And one thing that I can control is me, I how I could react to the situation. So that was quite revealing that I stopped because I didn't have this mindset. I think 10 years ago, more probably so, uh, that I was quite angry and a lot of things. And what I experience now is a bit healing for me because, in a matured point of view, the things that I didn't realize, and the only thing that kept me going was the rage I felt. But now, perseverance, the inspiration comes from a place of gratitude and, of course, being happy with how things turned out, even though it's not quite there yet. So, yeah, I just woke up. I think I've been feeling this for quite a lot. I've woke up and I realized that I'm really grateful that I'm alive. That I'm really grateful that I was I was experiencing things that I haven't experienced yet, and I've met a lot of people that I didn't know that could change my life for the better, of course. And but it there was a point in my life where I didn't think that this could all happen. I didn't think that everything is worth it. I didn't think that everything is everything will just be. And of course, there are parts of my life that I cannot explain. There are parts of my life where I'm still dealing with stuff, and I think I've come far in life. That before that, the only thing that makes me wake up is the rage I felt, but now it's peace, and I'm striving for it. I'm not pacing it or anything. I'm not controlling it like an obsessive person. I'm not addicted to it. It's just I just let it be, and I think I wouldn't be this person if I didn't deal those kind of stuff. And of course, it's tough, and I'm still growing. There are many flaws that is apparent in me, and I'm just happy and I'm just glad that things in life has been changing. And yeah.